Here is a survey drawing. Open and log in to Nearmap and find the location. Zoom out a little bit. Go to Export. Adjust the selection to be slightly larger than the survey. Highest resolution. Export type to be georeferenced image. And projection to be GDA94. Click Download Files. Open the downloaded folder. We have one JPEG and one georeferenced file with the same name. Go back to AutoCAD and ensure the unit is in meter. Drag the JPEG into AutoCAD. The scale and orientation doesn't matter at this moment. Image drawing order to the back. And make it fade out. Use the command Upload. Find the app which is available in the description below. Load the georeferenced file. And use the command Georeferenced. Select the aerial image. Then it's automatically moved to the right location with the right scale. We can blow up to check the details, which is perfectly matched with the survey. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. That way, if you want to come back and refresh your memory in the future, you'll have easy access to my channel. Thanks for watching.